Poppy, what you doing? What are you doing?
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
What you doing, baby? Doggy. What you doing, Poppy? You running from the camera? Say hey to everybody. That's a Labradoodle. My wife says she looks like a goat. You don't look like no goat. That's the most hyper dog I've ever met, boy. You're a good baby, ain't you? Well, you want to be. All right, let's get back. Let's get back to some seriousness. All right, hey guys. Well, hey, welcome back, guys. So today we are about to get into taking my 53 panel truck to Virgil's. We're gonna get some exhaust on it. We basically got everything done on the truck that really needs to be done. So now we're just doing little final touches. I do need the exhaust, and still got to get my radio hooked up and everything. I made the center console for it. I actually got the radio in, but I don't feel comfortable hooking everything up. So I'll take it over to Custom Enclosures, and they've done my previous radios on my vehicle. So I'm gonna let them take care of it, and I will get back with you guys once I get over to Virgil's. And I haven't been smoking my cigars lately. I've been taking a little break and stuff, but everything's going good. Today I am actually smoking a La Gloria Cabana cigar. It's a good smoke. If you guys are ever into, I don't know if you can see that, cigars, go pick you up one. It's a good smoke. So anyway, let's get over to Virgil's. Let's hop in the car. I'm gonna follow the tow truck over to Virgil's because I haven't, even really drove the truck or anything. But she will start, and I haven't driven anywhere because it's so loud without the exhaust on it. So let's get over to Virgil's and get these pipes on. Truck there. Yeah, that look good. Yeah, I appreciate that, man. Dryer. Yeah.
You'll have to figure out somewhere to fish keep it over here so far.
Yeah.
That don't mean I fish.
I get a tie strip right now and I can pull it back. do sound pretty.
Give it a little gas, Tyler.
All right, so I got the whole panel truck done. But what the only thing I got left is put these back windows in. But I got everything else done. Everything done. Start it up. All right, guys. So, hey, we are at the end of this video. I must say, Virgil did an awesome job putting those exhausts in there. The pipes are nice. There's nothing wrong with the pipes. But I have to tell you guys, after driving the truck a few times, they are. I mean, I like a loud truck. Don't get me wrong, but I really wanted the panel truck to be like a cruiser. And I kind of ran into a little problem, guys. And I mean, maybe I'm just being too picky or whatever, but I had, basically when I first talked to Virgil, I told him I really don't want the pipes going off the back, straight out the back. And I don't know, maybe we just got kind of misunderstood. So I had to go run an errand. And when I came back, I'm telling you, it was so fast, the pipes was off the back of the, sticking straight off the back of the rear end. So I was happy with that, and everything was going, you know, pretty fine as far as how it drives and everything. And so I wasn't going to worry about it and stuff. But after driving it and stuff, the truck is just too loud. Like I said, my wife really don't care for the real loud trucks and stuff, and I want her to, you know, enjoy this vehicle because she doesn't drive any of my other trucks and stuff. So, and the main reason that I have to get these pipes adjusted is because there's a lot, and you know, I did not know there's a lot of fumes. There's coming up the back of the barn doors. I should have known and stuff. I think someone told me, you know, that the noise is still going to come up the back. Please make a long story short, man, about the exhaust going out the back. I guess I should have made it clear and stuff because I already knew that I wanted those pipes to go back behind my wheels. But, you know, it was a misunderstanding stuff, and he did an awesome job, good work and stuff. And maybe I'm being too picky, but I cannot be driving that vehicle with the exhaust straight out the back because all of the fumes are, you know, coming through the back. So I drove it for, you know, a couple of days and stuff. And first I thought I had a gas leak or something, but it wasn't a gas leak. It was fumes coming through the back of the cab in the truck. So I'm going to have to, you know, take it and get it remodified. I'm going to take it over here to Mufflers and More, and that's where I normally get my pipes done at and stuff. So I'm going to take it over there to make the Mufflers and More, and this is right around the corner from my house. And we're going to just modify those pipes. He may have to cut one pipe and stuff, and we're going to bring it back through the rear of the tire. So it's going to be a simple fix. He's not going to charge me, you know, a couple of bucks and stuff, and that'll be it. You know, that'll be done, and that'll be fixed. So, and then after that, we can move on to the stereo system. So look out for that video, guys. I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you you know, like the exhaust. It sounds very beefy, very good. Truck sound awesome, but it's just not going to work for the panel truck. So we want the panel truck to be an everyday driver, Be a cruiser, not too loud. That way my wife and family can enjoy it as well with me. So, like I always tell everybody, if you got a good cigar, a fast car or truck, smoke them if you got them, baby.